Hello guys, welcome back to Haunted Legends. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we are actually in Richmond in South London. So the sun's gonna come out. We're in the clouds right now. I was waiting for it to come out and now the sun's about to come out. So I guess I'll take off, and there's a flight path in this area as well, which is going to Heathrow. I'm gonna take off now. Right, drone is up in the sky. We're just gonna go to the max height, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around Richmond. Nice area to fly. I've not flown in this part of London before. So we'll go up to 400 feet. This is the max height we can fly in this area. Then we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Ooh, shall I wait for the sun to come out? The sun's almost out. I'll show you, look at the aircraft that's coming. It's going to Heathrow. So we could do plane spotting with a drone, but from Richmond. Obviously we can't fly near Heathrow, but this is the closest we can, one of the closest places we can be at Heathrow. Hopefully I can catch a big plane like the A380 go through this. I usually do plane spotting at Heathrow with my camera, and I might do another one soon. I might do more soon. So look, the sun's going to come out in a second, out of these clouds. Big dark cloud just came. It was sunny pretty much the whole day. It's just a cloud that just came right now. So yeah, let's just get a tour of Richmond. What we'll do, let's do a 360-degree photo right now. So the sun's out where the bridge is over there. I'm gonna go down there, flying in a place called Richmond Green because it's a nice open area to fly. Get shots of everything. You got spots of the town centre, then you got shot of the bridge over here. It's looking sunny. I'm gonna go down there. There's a big plane coming above us. Looks like a big jet. We get shot of the bridge first, then we'll show you the jet. Because it's quite a big jet. Actually, I'll show you now. It's quite far now. We'll just show you this area, the bridge. So it's cloudy where I am, and it's sunny where the drone is, which isn't that far. Well, basically, it's like a big cloud has come. That's the issue. But it's not much of a problem now. It's getting sunny here now, so we're getting a nice shot. Maybe I could have flown near the bridge, or even in this big area down there. But I want to get shots of Richmond as well. Look at that. We've got a train coming. So maybe next time I could fly at the embankment side, near the bridge, near the pier. Sun's getting quite intense now. It's quite giving a lot of heat. Let's go down to this side, show you this bridge. The only issue is that the airplanes are quite noisy. We've got a big another jet, another big jet coming. So we've got another bridge down here as well. Nice shot. Then we got the other side, which we're just gonna come back now, because we don't want to go too far. So we can probably do a drone flight in this area as well. Then we get shots of the bridge down here. I know it's a big open area, but this We can get shots of the other side of the river as well. So basically my drone's going to the other side of the river. It's crazy. We're in Richmond, up on Thames, and we're in the other borough now. Which other borough are we in? On the other side, I think it was Hounslow side, which is where Heathrow Airport is. Let's see if we can spot Heathrow Airport, which is probably in the far end. Anyway, we're going to come back now. I'm going to come back to Richmond. Get a nice shot of Richmond. We'll go down the bridge first. So we've got a plane coming. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. So it's just the smaller plane. Let's get a shot of the other bridge, which I think is Richmond Bridge. I think the other one was Twickenham Bridge. So let's explore what's down there. Got a really nice shot. So we've got a bus over here. Let's get a around shot, orbit shot. Really nice shot. Let's see what else we can get a shot of. Let's see what's down here. Obviously not going to go too far down, we're just going to go a little bit closer. Then what we're going to do, we're going to get a shot of Richmond. Let's turn back around. This is the town centre, as you can see. What I want to do now, I want to get a shot of, I want to get a sideways shot of the Richmond area. So the Richmond station is down here. Let's get a shot of the bus. We've got an I think that's an A380 jet. We'll get a shot of that in a second. That plane's coming from Etihad. Let's get a shot of that. Look at that, that's insane, that's massive. Is this a plane spotting drone flight or is this a Richmond drone flight? I'm doing plane spotting while doing a drone flight, which is multitasking. What we'll do, we'll go get a shot of the town centre. Let's get a shot of the station. We've got Very nice building over there as well. We have a little bit down there. When it's like sharp 12 o'clock at noon, the sun is like the highest point in the sky, and it's literally, there's no shadows. I mean, there's less shadows, and you get literally clean shot of everything. Looks really nice. The only problem is that at that time it's usually hot. So let's get a straight down shot of the road. We're gonna go down. I understand it's cloudy where the drone is, and it's sunny where I am now. I'm gonna go down this road. Get a shot over Richmond. It's a really nice area to fly the drone. And I'm glad I got a shot here. What we'll do, we'll get a shot of the town centre once again. We'll keep the drone in places where it's sunny. So right now it's cloudy where I'm flying, so that means it's cloudy where I'm flying from, and where the drone is, it's sunny. Let's get an orbit shot, nice orbit shot. We don't know what that is. I'd rather get a shot of something that I know that I'm getting a shot of. What we'll do, we'll get a shot of the actual town centre, and I want to get a shot of the town centre one more time. Oh, there's a spider on my controller. Let me show you. I got my camera here, like you can see a spider on my controller. I don't know how it ended up on there. So I'm gonna stop recording on that. Alright. So it's cloudy everywhere now. I want to go back to the bridge. We only got 28% battery. The battery died so quickly, I'm not sure why. I think what happened is that I didn't charge it fully. I just charged it to 96%, which is enough, I think, but charging it to 100%, it just makes the battery just last even longer. So we get another shot of this boat going down there. We get a static shot of that going underneath this bridge. It'd be nice to get like a lower down shot. So I'll like launch from the side, the riverside, and then kicking a shot of this area. Let's go to the other side of the river. We'll track that boat going down there. Alright, let's bring the drone back now. So we've got a train coming down here. Looks really nice. You can see the blue in the river. I'm gonna bring the drone back now. I could have even launched from down here and got a shot. And you can get a shot of the river. Let's get a sideways shot of Richmond as we come back. Got another big A380 coming. Let's get a shot of that as we land. That's like a British Airways plane. as we land, I'm gonna get a shot of it. I'm trying to see how I'm trying to land the drone at the same time. You get the shot. I'm gonna land it. As you can see, I'll try my best to mute this sound because I don't like it at all. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Richmond Green. I hope you enjoyed this drone video and I'll speak to you in the next one.